Welcome back to Learning with a Difference School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script on the theme Responsibility. We are responsible for the way we act towards others. We are responsible for the way we treat others. We are responsible to study and so on. God has done so much for us. He created us as a way to show our thanks to Him for all He has done for us. We must honor Him. And let us do this by taking responsibility to live a life pleasing to Him. Heartiest morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Minakshi, student of class 9, on behalf of Shivaji House, presenting today's morning assembly on the theme responsibility. Somebody said that life is a gift and it offers us the privilege, opportunity, and responsibility to give something back by becoming more. And with these beautiful words, let us pray to God to help us to be faithful in all the duties He has entrusted to us each day and pray to fulfilling each with great care and love. Now, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, being the citizen of India, we have some duties and responsibilities towards our nation. The Pledge of Allegiance is set in schools is to instill a sense of patriotism amongst us, and it's time to take pledge. I invite on stage Mayank from class 9th for pledge. After pledge, dear friends, we are responsible for our life. We can't keep blaming somebody else for our dysfunction. We must take responsibility for our own happiness and should not expect people or things to bring us happiness. Life is really about moving on. And with this, let us move to the next, that is thought of the day. And for this, I would like to invite on stage Romil from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Romil. Thought of the day is being responsible is an enormous privilege. It's what marks anyone a fully grown human. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Romil. We all must be aware of the social surroundings around the world and in the country. News keeps us informed of the changing events, issues, and characters in the world outside. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper. Let's get today's news update. For this, I would like to invite on stage Shaheen from class 8th. Thank you very much, Shaheen, for today's news update. General knowledge helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. It helps to grow our confidence level, enables us to be part of various general quizzes at our school and at other levels. And you know that if we have good general knowledge, our entire life will be more meaningful and successful. Let's get check our knowledge, and for GK quiz I invite on stage Swapnil from class 8th. Thank you so much, Swapnil, for testing and enhancing our knowledge. Responsibility is quite possibly the main part of human life and character. We as a student spending a golden period where we learn many things which are helpful in our future. We are learning good manners and discipline which will help in our practical life. Our parents and teachers are responsible for our betterment. In the same way, we also have some responsibilities. Being a student, what are our duties and responsibilities? Next, I would call Ratish from class 9th to deliver a speech on responsibility. Thank you very much, Ratish. Every day is a good day. There is something to learn, care, and celebrate. We must know the historical, cultural, and social significance of each day. So why to wait? Let's get know the importance of today. For this, I invite on stage Sanyam from class 9th. Thank you very much, Sanyam. India is our motherland and we all are one and bonded with each and every word of our national anthem. Let us sing it with pride, smile, joy, and with a heart full of love for our country. And let's get ready for national anthem. And after national anthem, somebody said that take responsibility, trust, and have faith in yourself that you can offer the world something that no one has ever known. So, dear friends, taking responsibility for one's action is a sign of maturity. It's a sign of good values. Additionally, it also reflects that the person cares about others. With this, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a great day.